Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create and connect to AWS EC2 instance for Windows Server 2025. Okay, so first connect to AWS Management Console, then click on Services, then click on Compute. See here we have the EC2 or click on the search box and search for EC2. See, we have the EC2. Click on EC2 service. See the dashboard. See here running. I don't have any EC2 instances running. So to create new instance or launch instance, you have to click on this launch instance or go to instances, then click on launch instance. Then provide the name Win 2025 EC2 server. Name can be anything. Then select the Windows. Then see here we have the Windows Server 2025 base core and core OS. And if you want older versions, see here we have the older versions. Okay, I'm going to select Windows Server 2025 and it is free tier eligible. So I'm going to create or launch this Microsoft Windows Server 2025 base. Okay, and this is the AMI ID. Then scroll down and username is administrator. Okay, then select the instance type. See, by default it's selected T3 micro. We don't have any free tier eligible instance types. Okay, so I'm going to select T3 small. It is up to you based on the your requirement. Okay, then key pair. You can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. Ensure that you have access to selected key pair before you launch the instance. Okay, see, I don't have any key pairs. Click on create new key pair. Then I'm giving the name as same like instance and select key pair type as RSA and private key file format. I'm going to select .fem file. Then you have to click on this create key pair. Once we click on create key pair, you will download the key.fem file. Click on it. See, downloaded fem file. Okay. Then network settings. See here, I don't have anything. So click on edit. Even if you click on it, see, I don't have either VPC or subnets. Even if you refresh, see, nothing is there. Okay, so I don't have any VPC in this region. Okay, so we have to create VPC. So search for VPC, then right click, select open link in new tab. Then see here it is creating in the same region, US East 1. Here also we are also creating EC2 instance same. See, US East 1 has been selected. Here also it must be the same, US East 1B. Okay, then click on create VPC. Select this VPC and more. I'm not going to configure anything. Just click on this create VPC. See, VPC is created. Now go to here. Now refresh this one. See, we have the one VPC. Select it. Then subnets. Refresh. I'm going to select public one. See, I have selected public to US East 1B. Then auto SN public IP. I'm going to enable by default. It has selected disable. Now we have to select the firewall or security groups. I want to create new security group, or if you want to use the existing one, you have to select this radio button. So select new one, then provide the name. Name can be anything. Then description, I'm not going to provide anything. Inbound rules, I'm not going to provide. By default, it has added TCP 3389 is the RDP protocol. Okay, source type anywhere, or you can provide custom. Then advanced network configuration. I don't want to configure anything. Then configure storage. See, free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose SSD or magnetic storage. So I want to use max. If you want to add additional, you have to click on add and you have to select this root volume types. Okay. Then advanced details. If you have an existing domain, you have to provide the domain name, host name, profile, and others. Okay. I don't have anything. Remaining options, I'm going with the defaults. Purchasing options, etc. And if you want to provide any custom data, or if you want to upload any file to this EC2, you can provide. It is optional. Okay. Okay. Review the settings one more time. If you're okay with all the settings, then see here the summary. Number of instances one. This is the AMI information. This is the virtual server type or instance type. It is going to create new security group, and the volume is 30 gigabytes. Okay. If you're okay with all the settings, click on launch instance. See, successfully initiated launch of instance. Click on this instance ID or identifier. See, instance state is running. If it is in pending state, you have to wait until this state to be changed to running. Then click on this instance ID. See here, we have the public IPv4 address. See, this is the public DNS name and private IP. Okay, instance ID, host type, then VPC ID, subnet ID. We go to bottom. See here, we have the details. This is the AMI ID. AMI name. See, Windows Server 2025. Okay, instance reboot migration default, then monitoring disabled, launch time and other information. This is key pair assigned. This is the name of the key pair. Okay, now go up. Now click on connect RDP client. This is the username and password. You have to click on password. See, just download this remote desktop file, or you can give this public DNS. We will see both. Okay, click on this download remote desktop file. Then click on it. Then click on connect. Now we have to provide the password of this administrator. See, because the username is administrator. Click on get password. Now we have to upload the downloaded PEM file. Okay, so click on this upload key file. This is the one. Then click on open. Then decrypt the password. See, this is the password. You have to click on here, paste it, then click on connect. Okay. Then click on yes. See, we have successfully connected to Windows Server 2025 EC2 instance. See, we have successfully connected. Now open Windows Run, type WinWork. See, we have connected to Windows Server version number 24H. See, we have connected to Windows Server Data Center operating system. Okay, click on OK. Now, if you want to see the properties of this one, configuration information, right click on this PC, go to properties. See, we have connected to Windows Server 2025. This is the install time because we have selected T3.small. So close this one and see here the storage or volume information 30 gigabytes. Out of 30, 5 gigabytes is used. And this is the information about C. Instance size is T3.small. Okay. So close this one. If you want to log off, just Windows Run, type log off. Hit enter. You are signing out. That is one way. The second method to connect is just copy this public IP, then Windows Run, MSTSC, hit enter, then paste that public DNS name, then click on connect. Then you have to provide the same password. So this is the password, copy it, paste it, click on OK. Click on yes. See, you have successfully connected by using both this public DNS name or by downloading this RTP file. That is this .rtp file. Okay, I'm going to logging off again. Okay, now go back to this instance. Go up. See here we have the connect, instance state and actions. Instance state means we can stop the Windows Server EC2, Windows Server 2025 EC2 instance, or reboot the instance, or terminate instance. Click on terminate, and if you delete it, you can't access this instance. If you want to stop temporarily, you have to click on here. If you want to delete permanently, you have to click on this terminate, because charges are based on the usage. I strongly recommend if you are not using, then you have to terminate the instance. Then you have to click on terminate. I'm not going to do, but I strongly recommend if you are not using, delete it permanently. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to launch and connect AWS EC2 instance for Windows Server 2025. Okay, for more AWS or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.